السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ پیارے حضور.
وعلیکم السلام. ہاں جی, نبیل احمد
My
حامد.
name,
Your name is Nabeel Ahmed Hamid.
yeah. I'm 14 years old from Birmingham South Jamaat in West Midlands. My question is that inshallah, after the coronavirus restrictions have lifted in the UK, will you carry on doing virtual mulaqats along with the physical mulaqats?
You see, if possible, it can be continued. You see, those Jamaat members who are living in far off countries where I do not visit frequently, obviously they might have virtual mulaqat with me. But people like you who are just living here 100 miles from London, they can easily come to see me. Would you like, or would you prefer to have virtual mulaqat or just physical mulaqat?
Physical mulaqat is
Then, okay. For you it is physical, and for those countries whose people cannot come to the UK easily, with them it is quite possible we shall have virtual mulaqat. Now we shall have opened a new avenue. New doors are open now of this mulaqat, so it can be utilized later on. Right? Okay.
Jazakallah.
Allah Hafiz.
Jazakallah.